Okay, good morning, guys. Good morning. Today we're going to work on 3 of 17. I don't know why my pen's writing still. Forgive me on that one. Come on, wake up, machine. Wake up, machine. Yeah, it's not cool. I don't know what's going on. We're on 3 of 17. Solutions to systems. Make sure you know this is a line idea. 2 lines. They can cross. These would be the solution of one of these. They don't have to cross. They could be like this, or they could be the same line. Sneaky, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the calculator for this one. If you don't mind, I'm going to use the calculator for this one. Go here. Turn it on. Completely new thing. No. Go to calculator. Menu. 3 ones. And solve. Bring those systems and 2 equations. And type in the equations right there. Hold on. So we're going to the calculator, guys, and go to x minus 3y is equal to 9. So we're going to turn it on. Menu, 3, 2. X minus 3y. Oh, great. X minus 3y equals negative 9. Come to the next one over here. Negative 3x plus 9y is equal to negative 3x. Negative 3x plus 9. Negative 3x plus 9y equals 12. Just double check real quick. Yeah, looks good. It's already comment x. I'm going to come out here. Okay. You got to think about what this is saying here. No solution found. When you have 2 lines and they're going out there in space like this, they don't touch. When you're solving it, you're trying to figure out where they touch, where they cross. They don't touch. They don't have a solution. No solution here. Cool. Again, I can't tell you what to do on this one. The sky's the limit. I'm not afraid of math, so when I look at this one, I'm going to say this is really easy. So easy. The sky's the limit. How you want to do this one? This is basically saying right here that x is equal. You know, change the color so you can see it better. This right here, back and forth, is saying x is equal to a negative 3. So over here, plug in x to be a negative 3. So you have negative 3 plus 18 over 3. This on top right here gives you negative, actually 15, which gives you 5. Really easy. On this one here, sky's the limit on this one. I'm just going to plug them in. I'm not afraid of math. So for this one right here, I'd give a negative 2 plus 6. Right here, basically putting 2 times 3, which gives me 6, right? Negative 4. This right here, if you look at that one, it says gives me a 4. Ooh, that's my answer. Right, because that gives me a 4 is less than or equal to a 4. You see how it's 4 is equal to 4? Answer. That's it. If I plug in double 0 here, wrong. You got it? Negative 1 and 6. Now, oh my God, it's a negative 4. Negative 4. I messed up, guys, somehow. This is saying 4 is less than or equal to a negative 4. Wrong. 0 here, 0 minus plus 0 is less than or equal to a negative 4. So look at that. This one is saying 0 is less than or equal to a negative 4. Some might say yes, some might say no. You got to think about what you got to go back to. I go 6th grade, and we'll go. You have to go back 6th grade. 0. Anything greater is on the right. Anything less is on the left. This is saying that that one is greater than that one. So 0 is here, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Well, if you think about this one, since this 0 is on the right, this side is greater. This one's greater than that one. Wrong. Let's try this now real quick. I'm going to have a negative 1 plus a 2 times a 3 minus, or less than or equal to a negative 4. This gives me a negative 1 plus 6 is less than or equal to a negative 4. I don't think that one's right. So that one's out because that gives me a 5 is less than or equal to a negative 4. Out. This one here gives me a negative 4 plus 0 is less than or equal to a negative 4. This one gives me what I thought I had over here. Negative 4 is less than or equal to a negative 4. So my final answer would be D. Okay, so which of the following is not an intercept of the function graph below? Very sneaky. Not. You usually have a big intercept. It doesn't say X intercept or Y intercept. So negative 2, negative 6, negative 3. Negative 2, negative 6, 3, answer is D. Cool. They want the one that's not. Okay, this one's kind of easy, cheesy, squeezy. I don't know what you want to talk about. This is of a quadratic equation. What are the solutions? Solutions to this equation. Okay, so remember solutions. X-intercepts, right? If you're on the x-axis, guys, what do you know? Think about it. What do you know if you're on the x-axis? That y is equal to 0. Do you agree? Say I'm right here at this point. What's my coordinate right there? I'm going to go with 2, 0. You see this part right here? You see that? Right? You have to remember these things. It's a mixture of everything from the very beginning. I'm going to throw something else in here. Is this thing a function, yes or no? Is it a function, yes or no? What do y'all think? Function. This is not on the thing, but you got to think about it. Function. X's do not repeat. Check. Function. See that X's do not repeat? It is a function. Okay, excuse me. Sorry, guys. On February 2006, gold was valued at this much per ounce. On 2000, it was valued at that much. This year, per ounce, what is the, if the strength continues, what will be the closest price? 2045. Okay. Can you always think about these? They're giving you two things. Think about it as X and Y. X and Y. X and Y. I told you, time is always your X. So this is a coordinate. Sneaky. That's a 2006. That's 600. That's a coordinate. And then we have another one at 2010. Oops. 1050. Then we have in 2016. 1,200. Okay. These are all coordinates, if you don't mind. They want to know in 2045, what's my Y value? That's what they're asking here. So I'm going to use this to my advantage. If you don't mind, without thinking, without doing too much work, I'm going to show you how I would do this. Because I'm not afraid of the calculator. Ready? So 2006, 600. So I'm going to turn on the calculator. Go to some spreadsheets. 2006, 600. Okay, so 2006, 600 here. 2010, 2010, what is that? We have 1,050, right? 1,050. I don't even know where I got this thing. I don't know what it is, and I need to get rid of it. I don't like it. 1,050. Remember the next year, 2016. Let me see the numbers. 1,200. Okay, I'm going to remind you. 4, 1, 3. I'll put a B here. Control here. Enter. Now, the reason I did this because it says here. If this trend continues, so basically they give you some coordinates. And they want to know if the trend continues, like on a line, the trend line is what we call it, and we call it the trend line. Where would it be? They gave you 2006, 2010, 2016. They want to know what 2045. So all I'm going to do is make the predictions way over here. Now this is my year, this is my X values. So I'm going to come on here now, other than this, and I'm going to go to Control, Add a Page, Graphs, and I press up. There's my weird line. I can't even see it. I don't even know where it's at. I don't really care where it's at. I'm going to use it to my advantage. I'm going to go to Menu, and I'm going to go to Trace, Graph Trace. So this is where I'm at. And I want the number 2045, right? 2045. So those are my X values. So for X, look at my X. I'm at 0. I'm going to type in 2045 because it's saying X is 2045. And I press that. I'm going to put this number here. Okay, so that's 2.92. You see how it says plus 3? It means move it. 3 is positive, so it means move this thing 1, 2, 3. 2920. So about 2,920. 2,900. Right there. Okay. Not too bad, right? Not too bad at all. So don't be afraid of the calculator. Rewind this video again. Rewind that little section right there and see what I did, so you can learn how to do that. Okay, let's move to the next one quick. This one does come on your STAAR test for real. 5 more than. You see this 5 more than? That more than is plus 5. Right? You gotta have it as plus 5. And 3 times as many? 3 times, that means 3. I don't know. What do they say? Do they tell you which ones to use? There's no C's. Okay, so Claudia has 5 more than 3 times as many. We're going to go like this. Sorry about that. As is equals to Karina. Y. Okay, Karina will work as K, yeah? Where is this? Karina and Claudia. I think it's like this. Let me read it real quick. Claudia has 5 more. Oh, that's wrong. This is the is, right? Yeah, there it is. So we're going to go Claudia has or is 5 more plus 5, 3K. Yeah, there it is. So this is the is right here. So that one took that. Claudia has 5 more than 3 times as many shoes than Karina. Yeah. So she has more, so you got to do stuff to Karina to go ahead and make hers equal to Claudia. I think it's this one. It's not. No. Yeah. See. Perimeter, guys. Now, I see perimeter just to get your attention. Perimeter, don't forget, is to add. I'm going to say adding comes back from the first grade, okay? That's when they start teaching about all these things. So basically, you want to add them all up. Now, it's really fast, guys. You see this? X minus 4 here, and then 2x here. I don't know how you want to do it. I'll show you the easy way to do it. I would do it, just go right here. X plus x is 2x, 4x, 6x. All right? So far, I'm looking for 6x. So I'm thinking that's my answer. These are out. Can't be that one, because I already have a many. Now here, oh yeah, look at this. This positive 4, I'm adding them all up. Negative 4 plus negative 4 is a negative 8, plus a positive 4 is a negative 4, plus 4, 0. There's my perimeter. Now I'll show you how to do it, the way they want you to use it. Remember, they know that perimeter is equal to length. plus 2. They want you to do it like this. That's how easy it is. Remember, you do 2 times, I'll go with this one, x minus 4, and 2 times 2x plus 4. This one here gives me 2x. This right here gives me negative 8. Plus, this right here gives me 4x. This right here gives me a plus 8. This and this cancel out, guys. This gives me 6x when I have this one here and this one here. Yeah, it works out perfect. Okay, function. If it's a function, guys, your x's do not repeat. I don't even care. Honestly, I don't care about this one. X's do not repeat, so it is a function. Yes, it is a function. Okay, for it to be not a function, for it to be no, I could have another 2 here. I could have another 3 or a 7. As long as I have one of them, as long as one of these repeats, it's not a function, okay? Remember that on I guess in a thing like this, the vertical line says function, 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 function. Okay, all of the read functions, not a function because it crosses it twice. It means your x, this x repeats with that y, and this x repeats with that y. So that's just function. You gotta understand that one, guys. Why it's important, I have no idea. I still to this day don't know why it's important. What is the slope of this one? Please make sure you know the formula is y is equal to mx plus b. This is your slope. Intercept form. So you see that's my slope. That's my intercept. So the slope is by your x. You see the setup right here? And there's your slope. Weird. It does come on your STAAR test. Too easy, right? Okay, guys. Do you have any questions over this? If you do, you better get it ready and be asking me, guys. Help me out and ask. If you don't know, if you don't ask, I don't know. All right. Be safe. We'll get ready for the next one.